Are we? Right, David, this is the turkey. I'm going to slice it open, as you can see. Okay. One turkey, one back taken off, one underneath taken off. Place that to one side, turn the turkey over. Look inside, pull out what we call the you know what and the other you know what. Now in there is a bag. Pull out the bag. Right, now we start. We have an onion. Stuff the onion in there. We have a lemon and an orange. Stuff it in. As you can see, it's in, right? In the hole. Close up the hole. Now, take your butter. So far, so good. Now, with your hand, lift the skin gently. Take a handful of the butter, placing it under the skin, pushing it down and around. Make sure you cover the skin. If you want to go from the back side, take some more butter, and as you can see, you're sliding it up the arm, up the back side, twist it and rub it round. Right, rub it round, stick it down. Now make sure, rub it round and stick it down. So far so good, right? Because what it will do is it will melt in and go through. Now, take your bacon. Remember, streaky bacon. Okay? Get your bacon. And then, what you do is you start placing it. Now remember, that's in the wrong place, I think. It goes up its arse. Oh. I've forgotten what I'm doing, Terry. Oh, Dave. Right. Just wrap the bacon over the turkey, like you see me doing now. I'll try and zoom you in. Slice by slice, little by little. Okay, so far so good. Are you getting the gist of this, Dave? I hope so. Right. So, keep going. Now, to make life easy for yourself, obviously you've got a big turkey, so you might need more rashers. Go across that way. And go across that way. And then go across that way. And that way. Now, I haven't put any bacon over the leg, but I can break this piece in half and just put a bit over to keep it fairly moist. Now what I will do is I will rub a bit of butter on the outside of the leg. I normally put it inside, but on this occasion I'll just put a bit on the outside. Right. And then it will melt in. Right, now, that part of the job is done. Okay, so then what we do is we get a tray to put it on. Now, we need a big tray. I'll just dive down again.
Time to get this bed made.
One tray.
What?
Okay, now what we're going to do, as you can see, we've got helping. Take the turkey, placing it onto the tray, like so. Now my glamorous assistant is going over there and he's going to bring me the tin foil. Please bring me the tin foil.
Where?
The tin foil is in the trolley. Lift the lid. Thank you. Right. Now,
Who's that for, Dave?
right, as you can see, we now have baker foil. Make sure that it's a good quality tin foil, otherwise it breaks when you use it. Now what you need to do is just pull it apart, like so, covering the underneath, seal it round, tear it, finished, seal it round, making sure that it's tight-ish. Made a bit of a piece here with that. Right, I need a piece more, please. Right, because I split it, so I'll put a bit more on. Right. This is now going back into the fridge and it will come out at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and you just whack it in the oven that you've preheated, and when it's done, it's done. Okay, hope you found that tutorial to your liking. Merry Christmas.